The maintenance required soon light on your 2019-2022 Toyota Corolla is a mileage-based reminder, typically set for 5,000-mile intervals, prompting an oil change. It doesn't directly monitor oil quality. Resetting it is crucial after each oil change to maintain accurate service intervals and prevent the annoying chime. Remember, resetting the light doesn't replace the actual oil change. It's simply a reminder system. Ignoring required maintenance can lead to engine problems and potentially void your warranty. As of 2025, the reset procedure remains manual for these Corolla models. Start by turning the ignition completely off. Next, turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Press the trip meter reset button repeatedly until the odometer shows total mileage with ODO. Press and hold the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds. The maintenance light should reset. Finally, turn the ignition off to confirm the reset is complete. For hybrid models, use the touchscreen menu, go to Vehicle Settings, then Maintenance, and select Reset.